Hey guys, just back here with an update. So what I did was I used my Dremel tool right here with a cutoff wheel and turn the camera around. Started to cut out the fiberglass where the front engine mount goes. Try to keep it as clean as possible just to make it easier when I glass the new one in. My concern with glassing the new one in is just that I have the same height that I had here. So anyway, with a little bit of cutting, I was able to get this piece out. Had to pry it with a screwdriver. There was some type of glue. There was also some foam in here. So I've cleaned this up a little bit with my Dremel. Still have some more work to do, but at least now I can see what I'm dealing with. It looks like this is a metal plate, and in the center there, oh, sorry about that, if you could see, that's a Phillips screw. So I'm hoping that once I take that out, that the plate will come out. When I pry on this, it does move, so I think it should come out rather easily with that screw removed. So I'm going to pause it for a second, go grab a Phillips screwdriver and see what we have. Okay, so I'm back with my Phillips screwdriver. Just see if I can get this screw out. You know what? I think I'm going to have to get a pick and clean out the screw itself because there's some gunk in it. So let me just try to... Oh, geez, that stuff's pretty hard. Might not be able to... Might have to turn the camera off to work on this. There's I don't know what that... You know, it's probably resin from the fiberglass that's clogged up the center of that screw. Definitely don't want to strip it. So go ahead and pause the camera again and grab some different picks and see if I can pick that resin out of there and come back here and try to take that screw out. Alright, so I was able to clean that out with a pick. I think I have enough bite with the screwdriver that can get this screw out. Let's see. Yep, that's good. Alright, cool. So hopefully with this screw out, this will pop right out. Now, I still don't know what's under that plate. I don't know. Looks like there's some type of... oh, wow, that screw's much longer than I expected it to be. Oh, it's good. Nice. So if this comes out, you know what? It looks like... Okay. Alright, where are we at here? Wow. Okay, so I probably should have cut the glass back a little bit further. Okay, but here we go. So this is the plate. I mean, that's good. I didn't, sorry guys, didn't realize there was even a plate there. Again, though, if you look at that hole on the right. It's still completely clogged with that sealer or silicone. So I have a couple options now. I could get another one of these plates made. Maybe at a machine shop or something. Guessing this is aluminum. It's really light, so it's probably not stainless. But that left hole, I mean, you could, let me see if you could see the, sorry, it's hard to see it, but there are threads, and I tried to tighten the bolt down on this side. It feels like it's biting on the threads, but once you get any type of resistance when you try to torque down the bolt, the bolt just keeps spinning. So those threads are gone. Now, as far as what's going on with this hole right here, I don't know. They must have put some type of sealer in there. You know what? It looks like that rust right there. I'm wondering if the bolt had broken off and they just put a sealer in. But this might actually be easier to repair than what I thought. It looks like if I just clean this up, if I could use this, if I can reuse this, that would be ideal. Maybe I could buy one, I don't know. I'll check eBay to see if someone has one, someone that's parting out a ski. But I'll clean all this up. Maybe re-glass that, because that, I don't know what the deal is at. So I might end up cutting this hole a little bit bigger. But all in all, I don't think this will be too difficult to repair. Just have to figure out what I want to do with this. You know, maybe I could tap the holes out to a bigger size for a bigger bolt, and could just use 2 bigger bolts for the engine mount. I mean, that would probably be the easiest thing to do. My only concern would be if the bolts would hold, because sometimes when you go to a bigger thread size, just it doesn't have as much strength. So we'll see. I'll have to look around, get some different options, but I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. Might just clean this up a little bit, but all in all, you know, for 2-3 hours worth of work, I'm pretty happy with the results, because now at least I know what I'm working with and can at least try to come up with a game plan now how to fix this. But it's cool. So if you guys have any suggestions, any feedback, please let me know. Apologize for the terrible camera work. This is my first time doing anything like this as far as documenting it. So please do be kind. I'm trying my best here. But